So let's now move on to the complement of a set. Suppose there's a set A. Now complement of a set is defined as U minus A, where U is the universal set. That means complement of a set A वो set होगा जिसमें universal set के वो सारे elements हो जो कि A में ना हो. We can also write it like, and we denote complement by this, a dash. So A complement can be written as the elements x such that x belongs to U and x does not belongs to A. That means if I show this with the help of a Venn diagram, suppose this is the universal set U and this is your set A. So A complement will be all the elements of U that are not in A. So I can shade this portion. Apart from A, the rest of this square rectangle will be U minus A, that is A dash, that is A complement. So this is how you show the complement of a set. Now suppose you have a universal set, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have a set A which is 2 and 5. So A complement will be all those elements of U which are not there in A. So 1 is not there in A, 2 is there in A, 3 is not there in A, 4 is not there in A, but 5 is there in A. So we get 1, 3 and 4 will constitute the A complement. Similarly, if there is a universal set which is all the students of class 11th, okay, and if I depict A to be the set of girls of class 11th, so what will be A complement? A complement will obviously be the boys of class 11th. So complement of a set are all those elements which are there in U but they are not there in that set. Also, you should know that when we find the complement of a complement set, that means अगर मैं A complement का complement निकालूं, so A complement क्या है? ये. And इसका complement क्या होगा? All those elements of U which are not there in A complement. So if I write all those elements of U which are not there in A complement, that comes out to be the set constituting 2 and 5, and we know that this set is equals to A. That means A complement ka complement is the same as A. So this is a very important point to be noted here. It helps out in various questions and it makes it really easy. Let's now consider this example where the universal set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The set A has elements 2 and 3 and the set B has elements 3, 4 and 5. So in this example, we will be finding the complements, the intersection and the union and their complements as well. So let's just see what happens if we find all of these things and how are they related to each other. Firstly, A complement has, since A has 2, 3, so A complement will have 1, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, B complement will have 1, 2 and 6. Okay. Now what about A union B? A union B will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and A intersection B will be only the element 3. If we find out the complement of A union B, that is the complement of this set, so we get 1 and 6. If we find out the complement of A intersection B, we get 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see that if we find out A complement union B complement, that comes out to be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and you can see that A complement union B complement is coming out just the same as A intersection B's complement. Similarly, if you find out A complement intersection B complement, that means the intersection of both of these sets. So you get that the intersection is 1 and 6, which comes out to be the same as A union B complement. So here what you can see is that A union B complement is the same as A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B complement is the same as A union A complement union B complement. So these statements are actually valid if you take any set A, any set B, any universal set. So these two statements are very important statements and they are called the De Morgan's law. So the De Morgan's law says that A union B complement is the same as A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B complement is the same as A complement union B complement. So there are some properties which are followed by the complements. Let's see. The first property is A union A complement is the same as the universal set. हमें पता है कि अगर हम A के elements को लें and हम उनका union करें with all the elements which are not there in A, that will be the universal set. Similarly, A intersection A complement will be 5, क्योंकि A intersection A complement, that means वो elements जो A में भी हो और A complement में भी हो, and we know कि ऐसा कोई भी element नहीं होता, so this will be 5. These were the complement laws. Nextly we have the De Morgan laws, which I just told you, which is A union B complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement, and then A intersection B complement is the same as A complement union B complement. Now we have the complement law, the double complement law, which says that A complement is the same as A, which we have just studied, and then you have phi complement is the universal set. Phi में क्या होता है? कुछ भी नहीं. तो अगर हम उसका complement निकालें, that means it has everything, and the set which has everything is the universal set. Similarly, U complement will be phi. You can also check this by if we take complements of both the sides. If we do this, then what do we get? Phi complement by this property is phi only. So we get that the universal set complement is actually phi. So these are all the properties which are followed by the complements of a particular set. So I hope that all the topics were clear to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay updated. And if you have any queries or you want any specific video to be uploaded, you can mail on the mail ID chalktalkwithvanshika@gmail.com. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.